Being able to recover OneDrive with Backup Exec is important for making sure you don't lose your files, especially when accidents happen. Whether it's accidental deletion, ransomware, or sync issues, Backup Exec ensures you can quickly restore your OneDrive data and get back to business without skipping a beat. It's all about keeping your important documents, projects, and files safe and easily accessible whenever you need them. Let's take a look at how to restore OneDrive. To recover Microsoft OneDrive data, select Backup and Restore. Highlight your Microsoft 365 tenant, select Restore, select OneDrive, click Next. You have two options, OneDrive backups to point in time and OneDrive backups from backup sets. We'll select Backup Sets and click Next. We'll expand out OneDrive, expand our full, expand our users. We'll expand our admin account, and we'll select the file that we'd like to recover. We'll go ahead and click Next. We have a few options for our recovery. We have the ability to increase the number of parallel streams. We have the ability to skip or overwrite a file if it already exists. We have the ability to restore to the same OneDrive or restore to a different OneDrive, or we also have the ability to restore to the file system. We're going to restore back to the users folder, and we'll go ahead and click Next. Here we have the option to run pre and post commands. We also have the option to send notifications on the status of this job. We'll click Next. Here we can give the job a new name. We can also schedule the job to run at a later time. We'll leave it set to run now and click Next. Lastly, we're presented with a summary of our job configuration. We'll go ahead and click Finish. We'll go to our Job Monitor tab to watch the status of our job. Our restore is finished. Now we'll go to our Users OneDrive folder. And our file has been restored. Thank you for watching. For more information or to download a free trial of Backup Exec, please visit arcterra.io/backup-exec.